Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jay here, and this is a continuation of our Windows 8 series. So guys, in our last video we talked a little bit about the little bits of nice little split screen stuff, how to get back with our Windows key. I wanted to talk about internet in Windows 8 because there are two real sets of things going on here. You've got your main start menu, and I'll show you what we're looking at here. In your main start menu, as you see on my screen, there's a big Google Chrome icon. What that does when I click on it, it takes me to this version of Google Chrome, which runs in full screen, and I really like how this is integrated. Now, one thing that I want to just give you guys an idea about is this is not synced with the desktop at all. So, if I go back to my desktop and I click on Google Chrome, this opens a completely separate entity. It is not in any way going to be similar to what you have in your desktop view. So I've done it before where I've had both of these running and I'm going back and forth between them. Just keep in mind, guys, that these don't sync. So when you're doing things on one, you kind of want to keep your mindset on one. And here is why I don't like this. I want to show you guys something. So this got me a little bit confused the first time I did this. So a second ago, I downloaded just any file. I thought of the Kindle for PC app. Why not? So this gives me an icon at the very bottom of my screen. It says Kindle for PC installer. Now if I open this up, you're going to be sitting here going, nothing happened. Well, it did happen, but you've got to completely switch your screen and go to the desktop. Because when you're running off of your start menu, you're not getting any downloaded programs to open anywhere but your desktop, if that makes sense. This is not it's more of a fragmented experience than I really would like. And it's the one thing that Microsoft did here that I really am not a fan of. If you open your stuff in Google Chrome on your desktop, everything works just the same. If I have a file that I downloaded, it'll open exactly how everybody's familiar. If you're using, at least in my opinion, the better browsing experience, having it all full, I mean, you can do this on your desktop, don't get me wrong, you can make it full screen, but I like that this is integral to the start menu, and the fact that it's so fragmented. If you download anything that's not from the store on the application store here, it's going to be fragmented back onto the desktop. And it's not something that I enjoy, but it's something that you got to get used to, and something that at least took me a couple of minutes to figure out what the hell happened. Alright guys, so that is video 3 here. My name is Jay, guys. Keep it locked here. We're going to be giving you a lot more Windows 8 content, so feel free to give us a subscribe, and we will check you in the next video, guys. Ciao.